Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, Albany. Yes, I am on the egg fast. Day 1 was yesterday. Today is day 2, and it's breakfast time. And I have my tea. And I'm ready. Let me show y'all what I have. I got the kettle on, it's ready. Here's my, see it. Okay. Got my green tea here. Got 2 of them. Ready to go. Lipton has a good green tea and different varieties of tea. It's ready on that. Then I have my eggs, I have 4 eggs. It depends on your weight. So I'm going to do 4 eggs. Okay, supposed to do 3 eggs. I'm going to do 4 eggs. Okay, I drank my apple cider vinegar this morning. And water. I'm drinking morning and night. Okay, just drink you a cup of it. And I also have my green tea and my water and lemon. I'll be doing this throughout the day. And remember to change your lemons every day because your water won't taste the same. Okay. Got my water. And these are my eggs from last night. I'm getting ready to boil some more because they will not last. We already know they're not going to last. It's not meaning for today. Okay. So, yeah. This is my green tea. Yes. And I'll be back with you around lunch. Y'all enjoy your morning. Okay, guys. We're going to see how much I weigh. Forgot to do that. 201.2. Okay. Okay. We're going to see y'all. Okay, y'all. It's day 2. Getting ready to see what my weight is. 199.6. Do it again. Because yesterday I was 201.2. Let me do it again. Step on the scale. Step up. 199.6. Okay. Every day on this fast, egg fast or egg diet, you are supposed to lose 1 pound. All right. See you all at lunch. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 on my egg diet. I'm not going to call it egg fast. I'm going to call it egg diet. Yes. I'm having me a little snack right now. I want to tell you all, I got on the scale last night and it was 202.1. Let me look at the book, make sure it's right. Last night it was 201.2. So when I got up this morning and I had to take a poop, you all, I did go. I guess because of that green tea and the apple cider vinegar and water and with the lemon. Y'all, that lemon is going to clean your digestive system out. Please don't go slipping on the lemon. Every time you drink water, put slices of lemon in it, not the artificial lemon juice that comes in the bottle. Get the real lemon that we cut up and eat, the fruit, the real fruit. Okay, but when I got up this morning, I wore 199. So, on this diet, you're supposed to lose 1 pound a day. So, that's a good thing. So, and now I'm getting ready to show you how I'm preparing my lunch and what I'm going to have. And as we speak, I'm boiling some more eggs. But let me go ahead and pour this green tea up in there because I have my green tea. Go ahead and get that. This will be my second cup for today. That green tea. Let that steep. I like for mine to steep at least about 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Set this over here. Okay. I'm having these sweet mini peppers here. That's what I'm having today. I got these 3 of them. I carved them out, all the guts. And yes, what I did was got a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. That's what's in this bowl. That's what I'm getting ready to stuff these peppers with. Just a tad bit of onion powder, black pepper, parsley flakes, and paprika. That's what I put in there, so that's why the color is that. And I'm just going to stir this up. Make sure it's room temperature. Yes. I can't wait to get my keto strips on Saturday in the mail, so I can see if I'm in ketosis or not, which I do know I am because I'm losing weight. So that's a good thing. 201.2 pounds to 199 point something. But that's what's up. Make sure you're going to the restroom all day, urinating, getting that waste out of you. Delicious. Yep, y'all better try that cream cheese. So this is my fat. And while we're talking about fat, it's 100 calories. Can you all see it? Total fat, what? 10. What else we have? Carbohydrates is 1. Sugar is 1. Cholesterol is 30. Sodium is 110. And we have 2 proteins in that. I hope y'all can see it good. But that's that. So it's a good fat. And not too much. I didn't put much in there. So that's the thing. Whatever we eat in moderation and measure it. And eat in portion size. Okay, we're going to get ready to put this dip in there. Stuff it. And if you ever try this, you might want to slit your peppers like I did on one side so that they can go in there easily. Slit one side. So when you're stuffing them, it won't be so tight. Let's put in there like so. Cream cheese. Philadelphia cream cheese. I don't know about you all when you all eat cream cheese, but I have to get Philadelphia cream cheese. I can't get the artificial one. No, I don't like that. How it tastes. Nope. I tried it. I couldn't. Stuff these. I have my green tea. I have these peppers. That's why I say we can switch it up a little bit, you all. But you have to get your fats in. And this is my fat. The peppers are not even, they don't have any fattening in them. Okay. Just a little of that in there left. peppers right there. You want to see them? That's how they're looking. Yep. And then over here, we have apples. Yes, remember we have to have green tea, 1 apple, and I'm adding my sweet peppers, okay? So like I said, they don't have any fat in them, so that we're good on that. I have peanut butter in here. I'm just gonna wash my apple down. Yeah. I feel good, you all. When I ate my eggs, I was full. Just like they said, you will get full, and it makes your appetite less urgent, wanting to eat more and snack. So I did learn that today. That's a good thing. Yes. Okay. Eat in moderation. Everything we do and eat, everything. Trying to take that little core off in the middle. Okay. We got that cut up. I'm gonna come back and let you see the setup. And I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. This is how my lunch tray is set up. My peppers, cream cheese, a little savory, and my little peanut butter in there, and apples, and I have my green tea. I'm still drinking on some water here, lemon water, and some more water over here. Gotta stay hydrated, you all. Okay, I'll be back for dinner. Okay, I'll be back for dinner. And see you then. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's dinner time. This is the second day on this egg diet. Okay, I'm having oatmeal tonight. I'm gonna put some frozen blueberries in there. I love blueberries, you all. I could just buy them and just eat them like that. They're better frozen to me. So if I could make me a little bowl than just like the produce like that. Okay. Snack on them at night because it's also a low in carb and fat. Okay. I'm gonna put a little cinnamon on it. Yes. A little cinnamon on there. Trying to make me a little Buddha bowl. Chia seeds. Chia seeds. Put some chia seeds on there. Oh, look at them. I don't have that many in there. You all, I cook with almond milk when I cook my oatmeal. Yes. And this is the unsweetened original almond milk. And you all can see, I do have my peppers here. I made some more peppers. When I came to y'all earlier today, it was really snack lunchtime for me. So I only ate, for breakfast, I ate 4 eggs. And I cut up one tomato. And then for snack and lunch, I had 3 of these peppers with the cream cheese. And I had my green tea. And what else did I have, you all? I had something, I forgot. Well, anyway, yes. I had those things like that. But I didn't have any eggs for a snack, nor did I have an egg for lunch. So I think I'm going to get one of my egg quiche muffins I made last night and just warm one of them up and put with that, because I only ate 4 eggs today. I was supposed to eat at least 6 to 8 eggs depending on my weight. Remember, that's why I start with 4. Okay, we'll figure it out later, but this is going to get me where I need to be. Pour that honey over those blueberries. Can you see it? Ooh, look at that. Yes, look at this. To your liking, because honey is not fattening. So if you're not used to eating oatmeal, this is simple. Yes. Eat as much as you like. That's gonna do it for me on that. But this oatmeal, I got this from Walmart, the Great Value, the old-fashioned whole grain oats. I tried to find the rolled oats, but I probably have to go to the health food store. But it's the calories, it's 150 right there. And it has 2.5 grams of fat, 27 grams of carbs. So that's my first carb I will have eaten today. What this is oatmeal. 4 fiber, 1 soluble fiber, no sugar, 5 protein. That's what I like. Right there. Yes, sir. So always get you some oats in and plenty of water, okay, to flush. So look at this beautiful oatmeal bowl, you all. Oatmeal, cinnamon, chia seeds, frozen blueberries with honey on top. Yes. Okay, you all. I'm going to eat. I don't think I'm going to eat another egg, but probably just eat some more in the morning, because when I eat this, I'm going to be full. Oatmeal makes you full. Okay, I thank you all for tuning in, and you all have a great night.